Hello everyone, so welcome back into my sixth video of today on 7th December 2024. Let's start it. As you know, this is our new adventure story just for your learning, your education. Let's start it without wasting our time. And have you ever wondered what it would be like to travel back in time? Imagine this and okay, remember that MrBeast, the king of epic challenges, finds a mysterious time machine and decides to take us on an adventure to the age of dinosaurs as he steps out into a world filled with towering T-Rexes. What is meaning of T-Rexes and gentle Brachiosaurus? What is the this long word, guys? What you can recall it quickly? Must if you know about this word and you ever hear about this word, so must write their spellings in the comments below. Okay, Brachiosaurus. Okay, and what does it mean if you know? Otherwise, I tell you, just paste your question in the comments. He realizes that this is not just about the thrill, it's a lesson in understanding our planet's history. He meets a group of friendly paleontologists who explain how dinosaurs roamed the earth millions of years ago, shaping ecosystems and teaching us about survival. Okay, while exploring, MrBeast learns that you learn that picture every creature, big or small, plays a vital role in its environment, just like in our world today. 100% right, where every action has consequences. He sees how the extinction of the dinosaurs paved the way for mammals and ultimately humans to thrive. It's a powerful reminder that change it is constant and we must adapt. But it's not just about dinosaurs. MrBeast realizes that this journey is also about appreciating our planet in its history and the lessons it offers. He challenges us to think about how we treat our environment today, and are we caring for our world or taking it for granted. As he returns to the present, MrBeast brings back more than just memories. He shares a message. Learning from the past is crucial for building a better future. Okay, so let's take inspiration from those ancient giants. Let's protect our planet and learn from history. So we don't repeat mistakes. I know. So next time you watch one of his epic challenges, remember the lessons of the dinosaurs. Every action counts, and together we can create a world worth preserving. What is meaning of preserving in the last? Must tell me. Okay, and bye for now. Subscribe for more.